Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my most prayerful salutations at the divine lotus feet of my beloved Master Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Bhagavata Vahini, Chapter 12. The Kali Age Dawns. Summary. Sahadeva quickly summed up the larger meaning of the situation, reminding the others how Krishna had said in an open assembly that the Pandavas were his life and limbs that he worked with. So, with the passing of the source, it was a small matter of time before they were rendered impotent. Nakula and the others too agreed that the Kali age had dawned and they needed to depart and shed their bodies, contemplating on Krishna and not be lost in grief and mourning. They resolved to inform their queens and Mother Kunti accordingly. Kunti had heard about the return of Arjuna and was surprised that he had not rushed to meet her despite her waiting for him all night. Many troubled thoughts raced through her mind when the Pandavas arrived to be by her side early the next morning. When it was revealed that Krishna had passed, her grief and yearning for him was so intense that she too passed away almost instantly on hearing the news. Key takeaways. Dawning of a higher wisdom almost always puts a balm of grace over grief and anxiety during a calamity. The Pandavas' active realization that their time was up brought a sense of calm and acceptance within them that sat a layer on top of grief. Only great souls like Pandavas, Bhishma and Vidura had that higher understanding of dharma that enabled this understanding and acceptance to tide such an emotionally difficult period. Pray that we too enabled with such qualities at the moment of stress and apparent emotional crisis in our lives. The nature of the mind is always fickle, even on that of elevated noble souls. Kunti Devi's mind was filled with 100 unrelated wild thoughts that could drive any sane person crazy in times of distress. So in difficult times, it's best to trust the prayers in your heart and the calm wisdom of your intellect rather than fall prey to the vagaries of the mind. Training oneself to do so through mind management techniques during calmer times may therefore be an important life skill we could all learn. When noble souls like Kunti Devi and the Pandavas are directly connected to the source, in this case Krishna, Maya and luxuries of the kingdom and palace hold no attraction or source of attachment. All of them instantly knew that with Krishna's departure they need to go too. In Kunti's case, a lady who asked for misery in life such that Krishna would always be in her thoughts and prayers, her instant departure, one news of his demise, was natural. Let her connect with the world and its temptations be similarly light-hearted, with pulls and pressures of this temporary world, and keep ourselves focused on our eventual merger with the source in our permanent home. End of chapter 12. Sai Ram.